It's really crucial to appreciate that unification comes with costs and benefits. It's not an absolute good. Even the ultimate unification of death comes with costs and benefits. So when you fully merge into infinite love, what's the cost? The benefit is that you're in total peace, you're in infinite bliss, and there's no more problems. There's no more survival. There's no more worry. You don't have to worry about sex. You don't have to worry about money. You don't have to worry about any of the human stuff you've worried about. And you're perfectly at peace and happy. But the downside is that you're totally indistinct. You're not any particular way. You're no way whatsoever. You're nothing. The downside of that is that you can't enjoy an ice cream cone. You can't know what vanilla tastes like. You can't enjoy sex. You can't know what another human being is. You can't enjoy having a cat or a dog because you literally are merged with the cat and the dog. You are the vanilla. You are the sex. You are every possible thing merged into one thing. See? So if you want to know what vanilla tastes like, you have to incarnate as a human. If you want to know what sex is, you need to divide yourself into male and female so that you could reunite and have sex. If you want to know what war is, you have to divide yourself into two rival tribes and then go kill each other. If you want to know what death is, you have to have life. If you want to know what reunion feels like, you have to divide yourself. See, if you're totally reunited, you're so reunited that you don't even have a way to tell what it feels like to be fully united. You're so united that there's not even a difference or a distinction between unity and division. See? So if you want to know what it feels like to reunite, you have to divide. If you want to know what it feels like to become God, you have to create the illusion of not being God. That's a very real trade-off. That's the only problem with God, is that God is nothing and so totally indistinct that it can't even really know itself. Because even the process of knowing oneself requires there to be a knower and a known, because knowledge is a dualistic, divisive enterprise or pursuit. God can't really know itself because it is itself. God can only know itself through a limited incarnation. And then, of course, all knowledge of God becomes limited because it's divisive. Knowledge by its very nature is divisive. And then people wonder, well, why can't I know God? Why doesn't God reveal itself to me? Because God is nothing. God is completely indistinct. How can God reveal itself to you when the nature of God is lack of distinction? To ask God to reveal itself to you is to ask God to limit itself for you. See, that's a problem. Because if God showed up to you in the form of Jesus, or if God showed up to you in the form of Ganesha, or God showed up to you in whatever form, a bearded man in the clouds, whatever, you would think, oh my God, that's what God is. It's that shape. But that's not what God is. Ultimately, God is totally indistinct. It's nothing.